Hey guys, it's Steve here at Hanksters Hot Rods, and before we get to our newest edition, we're going to go over some things that we're doing here at Hanksters that our customers may not be aware of. If you see a car on our website, car, truck, or so on our website at www.hanksters.com, maybe that car doesn't have the options you would like it to have. Maybe you would like it to have fuel injection if it doesn't have it. Maybe air conditioning, disc brake conversions, maybe you want to change wheels and tires, maybe you wish it had a different hood, striping, gauges, exhaust systems, and so on. Give us a call. We'll get you a quote of what it would cost to change that particular item or items on that vehicle to make it perfect for you. Also, we want to remind everyone that we have shipping and powertrain warranty included in mostly every vehicle on our website at www.hanksters.com. Shipping is within the 48 states, and powertrain warranty is engine, transmission, differential, internally lubricated parts for 3 months or 3,000 miles. And of course, if it's a four-wheel drive vehicle you want to get from us, that would include the transfer case and the front differential and so on. Also, we do have financing for our vehicles. Go on our website, click on the financing tab next to the vehicle that you are interested in. Fill out the application that pops up, hit submit or enter down at the bottom left. It gets sent to us, we send it out, and we go from there. Also, if you'd like to go on YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel, see current videos of our current inventory, including this one, and some videos of our past inventory that we've had to get a sense of what we bring in here at Hanksters. Well, we're not going to hold off any longer. We're going to get to our newest edition, and what we have for you today is a beautiful 2010 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS. And the first thing you notice about it is the color. It is in the correct color, original paint, rally yellow that it had came in. Second is the wheels. It does have the factory aluminum 20-inch wheels on it, and of course that is at all four corners, and they are in great shape. We're going to go over the gaps on the car. The gaps on this car are beautiful. It's a fairly newer car. Our first gap is the driver's side fender to door. Very even the whole way down, right on the money. Everything is just exact, which what you would expect with a car this year and this miles. We do have the dual body color exterior mirrors, and the door handles are also body color. We'll see those in a moment. Our driver's side of our windshield, no chips and cracks. Our driver's side glass, no chips or cracks. And these are, of course, factory tinted. And then before we get to our second gap, we do have a moonroof or sunroof up here, also factory tinted, and that does not have any chips or cracks either. It's just in beautiful condition. Second gap, driver's side between the door and the quarter panel. Again, just like the front, right on the money. Every body line matches up perfectly. Of course, you've got the ground effects there in the gray, and of course, that's the whole way around as well. What I'm going to do now is open up the driver's door. We'll get a good look at the interior from this point of view. You can see it's got the leather seating with the SS embroidered in the headrest. 6-speed manual, leather-wrapped steering wheel and shifter. I see a center console there. The interior is just beautiful on the car. The carpeting, the seats, the console, just every surface in there is very, very nice condition. Moving along. Coming around towards the back of the car. Back window, no chips or cracks. Of course, we've got rear defrost and third brake light there. Our trunk gapping, just like everything else on the car, the gapping is beautiful. And we got the factory trunk mounted rear wing. Our rear bumper fascia, beautiful shape. So is the lower section here. And of course, you can see the dual exhaust outlets there as well. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop the trunk, and we'll go over everything in here. Of course, we do got the remote here as well. Underneath the trunk, body color, of course. Everything, including the trunk and your jams, are just in beautiful condition. Your weather stripping, of course, is intact and in very, very nice shape as well. Down in here on the trunk floor, of course, we've got the cargo net. And then we've got the floor mats that go with the car, front and rear, and they're just beautiful. Doesn't look like they've ever been touched. Our carpeting in here, beautiful all around as well. And I'll give you a glimpse of the floor here. Just immaculate shape. And of course, we got our RPO code sticker still there. Everything is just beautiful in here, which is what you would expect with the mileage on this car. Move it along. Coming around to the passenger side again, I'm going to note the paint on the car is beautiful, all over, very nice condition. Coming up to the first gap passenger side, between the quarter panel and the door, and just like that side over there, it's right on the money. It's just beautiful. All your body lines line up very nicely. And of course, your passenger side glass, no chips or cracks. And of course, our door handles here, like I said, body color, as is our mirrors. What I'm going to do now is open up the passenger door. You can see in here, again, the interior is an immaculate shape. We still have the sticker hanging out over the dash there. The little placard, it's just beautiful inside. And everything, door jambs, the seal plates, very nice condition. Now, second gap passenger side, from the door to the front fender. Again, just like the rest, right on the money. Everything lines up fantastic. Of course, there's our Camaro emblems there. Passenger side of windshield, no chips and cracks. And then, of course, we got the factory cowl hood here. Coming around to the front bumper fascia is in very nice shape. Got a little bit of touch-up right there, but overall, great condition. Our grille is in great shape. Of course, we've got our SS emblems here. Little touch-up right here, but all in all, very, very nice. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop the hood and we'll go over everything in the engine bay. Underneath the hood, what we have here is a 6.2 liter LS3 Chevrolet V8. Very powerful engine, over 400 horsepower here. More than enough to move the car along very well. We got power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. We got one little aftermarket piece, which is an Airaid intake here. Very nice unit there. As you can see under the hood here, your shock towers, every surface is just mint condition, as it should be with the miles that it has. It's just beautiful up under the hood. Our material is all here fastened, all tight. Everything is clean and neat, as it should be. What we're going to do now, guys, we're going to put this up in the air. We're going to show you how nice the underside is. Hey, guys, we got our Camaro up in the air. We're going to go over the undercarriage components, as we always do. Starting at the front, everything under here looks to be completely stock. It's a very low mile car. I'm sure all this is original. Our struts up there still got the stickers on them. Everything here looks to be stock, doesn't look like it was touched. We do have a control or sway bar on the front of the vehicle, sway bar. And we do have our stickers, you can see hanging here. All of our stickers on our lines. Our barcodes are all still hanging off here. Everything looks fairly new under here. Our cross members, our front cradle section here, all looks fantastic. You can still see your numbers that are stamped into it here. Everything looks great. It's in great condition. Our stickers are still on our absorbers here. Our engine mounts, everything looks good. Our front frame sections look great. And look great. Everything under here is fantastic condition. Our oil pan on our Chevrolet V8, which still has the sticker and the barcode on it there. Our transmission cases, seals, an output seal, nice and dry. I don't see any leaks on any of those. Our exhaust system, which we do have dual exhaust coming off the stock manifolds, come down your cats, comes back into two, on back, and we'll see that better as we go back farther. Our flooring to this point looks fantastic. You can see under here, it's brand new under here. Every little weld, every little indentation, embossment, you can see everything. Our numbers stamped, very legible. It's very, very nice under here. The interior, I mean, the underside of the car is obviously in fantastic shape. Our transmission cross member, great condition. I don't see any cracks. It's nice and solid, looks really good. Our heat shields are all tight, all fastened. All the fasteners are there and present. Looks fantastic. That all looks great. Moving along again, our floor, fantastic shape. You can see it's every little weld. You can see just very well taken care of car. Beautiful shape. And for the miles, it should look like this, and it does. Coming back, our dual exhaust continues, splits out here, it goes back, exits in the rear of the car. We'll see that in a moment. And we do have disc brakes on the front and disc brakes on the back. So all 4 wheels are disc brakes. Our rear cradle here, that all looks great. Our rear suspension, again, everything back here looks to be stock. We still got our stickers on our half shafts. We got our labels on our rear differential here, which are input seal on that, and our rear differential seal nice and dry, no leaks at any of those as well. Coming on back, there's our sticker on that half shaft. Our stickers are hanging off our rear sway bar. Our stickers up here in VIN on our rear cradle section here. All looks fantastic. Coming back to the mufflers, you can see we still got the stickers on them back here. Our stickers are still on our struts and tags back here. Up on our brake lines, everything is still present. All the stickers, barcodes, all labeled. Very nice under here. With the mileage on this car, you would expect that. You can see the floor back here, again, in fantastic shape. Here's our exhaust, comes up and exit out the lower rear of the bumper here and the cutouts here. All in all, it looks fantastic under here. And what we're going to do is we're going to drop this down and fire it up to hear the engine run.